Hi, David. Awesome job on your presentation. I really enjoyed watching it. And you brought up some really, really good points that I'm excited to put forward into my class. One of the really good ones that I enjoyed was the question that you asked: do our assessments provide motivation? And what I really liked was that you gave an example afterwards of, do the students want to pass our assessments? Do they care? Because if they don't care, then they're really not going to try. So that's something I personally really need to work on, because I've never really thought about that. So that's a great idea. I really enjoyed that point, and so I'm going to go ahead and start implementing that in my classroom to try and figure out. And it does go back to, if you ask the students for their feedback of, how do they want assessments, what do they want to be asked about, stuff like that. It kind of helps them. That will help in that aspect too. So that was great. And as you mentioned, it isn't amazing how building relationships with our students and families improves the student performance. That's one of the most important things we can do with our students is build relationships. I know in our school some of our students are in tough situations, and so they come to school because that's where they have better relationships than at home. So it can be really important for them to have that relationship because they don't have it at home and they need it somewhere. How can we expect these students to know how to act and how to be mature adults or grow into mature adults if it's not being taught at home? So, and we want them to feel safe and comfortable being around us and asking us questions. So you did an awesome job there. It's a it was a pleasure to watch your presentation and see everything that you did and how hard you worked on it and all the effort you put into it. So thank you very much. I appreciate it.